Go. Before the first. Before the first.
Saw that face when he hit the corner?
Man, nasty, man. He did that. I can't think of nothing else but the football. Man, that's gotta be that pass. That's his junior year.
Oh, man.
That was good.
Oh, my gosh. Wide open, laying the egg.
Man, he said he had them passes. That was funny. And some even them have they have miles. Them things got miles on them. They got a stripe on them, so you know they're JV. They know they're JV, right? Practice squad on the come up. Oh man, man, that's funny. That brought back some memories.
Oh my gosh. Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? Why you